Hey there, it's Ryan with Frontline Animal Removal. Today I'm looking at a house that has critter problems. And I'll point out the critter problems in a moment, but I'm going to point out a couple other things. First thing, we have a metal roof. It's a nice looking metal roof. This metal roof is 1 year old. 5 years ago, I bat proofed this house. And it was successful. We got the bats out, customer was very happy. A year ago they put a metal roof on. It's a nice metal roof. It's like a quality installation. And a year ago, roof was put on, no problems. Just recently, we put super green solar panels on a green roof, doubly green. But then the bats started showing up. I have a suspicion why the bats started showing up. Right here is a ridge vent. Now if we walk down here, beyond the solar panels, the ridge vent looks fantastic. There's no creases, no dimples, nothing. But we get down here, there's a buckle there, a buckle there, buckle there, a buckle there. And what I mean by buckles, on a really big crease and a buckle here. All those are adjacent to the solar panels. Up here, this end, ridge vent is super straight, super tight, excellent condition. Get over here by the solar panels, and we have problems. And I don't know if you can see, but right next to that chimney, the ridge vent is split apart. And that gets me to right here. So, see that? The ridge vent isn't supposed to do that. The end of this ridge vent folds around this white piece of metal and creates a seal that keeps critters out. But it's popped apart. Not only is it popped apart, I can slide my hand, my entire hand up inside of it. That's a bad deal. Why is this popped apart? Somebody stepped right here. Now, in my line of work, I go up on roofs all the time. Generally, on an asphalt roof, you can walk on the ridge, and it's fine. Metal roofs, you cannot walk on the ridge. In fact, on metal roofs, you have to walk between each standing seam to prevent dimpling and denting the roof. Not only that, but I wear special roofing shoes that have special foam rubber bottoms that provide extra grip to keep me on the roof and keep me from sliding off. And those foam rubber bottoms protect the roof, keeps it from getting scratched and damaged. So I have excellent grip and I'm protecting the roof. Somebody walked up here on this and they shouldn't have. This spot isn't that bad. The spot up there is bad and there's spots over there that are even worse. I think the bats are getting in here. Why do I think that? Because I have residue of something on the roof. Now we just had hard rains and it washed away the bat guano, but it is definitely residue. So somebody's going to have to fix this roof to keep the fuzzballs from getting in here. So when you hire a professional to come out to your place, whether it be me or some other guy, make sure they know what they're doing. Ask questions. If I come to your house, ask me as many questions as you want. If you don't have trust or confidence in what I'm doing, tell me to get the heck out of there. But I have a pretty good feeling that after you ask me 20,000 questions, that you'll have confidence in my work and what I'm doing. Do I make mistakes? Yes, I do. Will I correct my mistakes? Yes, I do. But always, always, always ask lots of questions, whoever you hire to work on your roof. Thank you.